How to turn on NFC on Android. This tutorial shows you how to enable NFC on your Android device. First, open your Android settings and tap on Connections. After that, scroll down and look for NFC and contactless payments and tap on it. From there, tap the toggle at the top to turn NFC on. At this point, once enabled, you will see the toggle turn blue or green, confirming that NFC is now active on your device. In the next step, you can also set up your preferred payment app by tapping on Contactless Payments to choose which app handles your NFC payments by default. Finally, with NFC turned on, you can now use your device for contactless payments, file sharing, and scanning NFC tags by simply holding your phone close to a compatible device or terminal. And that's it. If this Android guide helped you turn on NFC, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.